It is always a good idea to watch a design stitch out on screen before you send it to a machine. While previewing the design, make note of the stitch sequence, the color order, and the jumps in the design. It is still possible to edit the design and make changes before you send it to the machine. Just make a note of any changes that you wish to make while you're previewing the design. The Stitch Player is a great way to preview the design. The Stitch Player icon is found at the end of the View toolbar. Click on it to activate the Stitch Player. If I want to skip a color, I can click and drag on the slider on the color bar and skip the color that I don't need to see stitch out. I can click on the double pointed arrow to the right to skip to the next color. I can also click on the double pointed arrow to the left to go back to the previous color. I can click on the triangle with a line through it to go to the end of the design, or I can go back to the beginning. If I want to speed up the stitching, I can click on the slider for the speed control, and the design will stitch out faster. At some point, if I want to pause the design, I can click on the pause button and zoom in to see what I need to see. If I want to resume the stitching, I click on the play button and the design will start stitching again. When I have auto scroll activated, if the design is stitching off screen, the screen will move so that I can watch the design stitch. The square will close the Stitch Player.